and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and I've got some PaintGem minis to share with you today. I've just very recently had a delivery of all the sets that I haven't got. A couple of them have been out for a few months, some of them not as long. This one has actually been out for a long while, and I've just never finished adding it to my sets. Unfortunately, I did miss out on the second edition. That's the only one I'm missing, but I will be doing it in two separate videos just to share with you 4 of the sets in each, because I have just got 8 more sets. So I didn't pick and choose which, I just grabbed a stack of 4. But I want to give you the opportunity to see what the paintings look like in each set, but I am going to do a quickish run through. So this one is the autumn edition. This one has 12 different designs. There is a summer edition as well, which will be in the next video. So I'm expecting maybe a winter and a spring at some point. Each set does come with a toolkit, so I'll unbox one of them for you. But it comes with a small white boat, a heart tub with a piece of wax, a clear pen with a single placer, a squishy grip for your pen, a 3 placer, and one I think is a 7. But anyway, 2 multi-placers, and then a set of tweezers. These are quite sturdy. They are plastic, but they're quite sturdy tweezers. So each set comes with one of those. This is the colours. Considering it's autumn, look at some of those gorgeous bright colours that are mixed in with, of course, a lot of orange and yellow. I do like the fact that they name what each set is, because I do tend to store these in one place and these in another. So I love the fact that they come labelled. You do get stickers with all the symbols on, which are perfect when putting up. And this is the brief rundown of all 12 designs. Absolutely beautiful. That one's a bit more of a full design than a partial, but of course these ones where you can see white, you don't put your diamonds. We've got some jam. Just the colours in them are absolutely gorgeous and still very autumny, even though we have some brighter colours in. Makes it very nice to do because you don't feel like you're doing the same basic colours all the time. You get to add some nice bright colours like purples and things in there as well. Got quite a few colours in this set. So these I think are 12. Yeah, so 36, 38, 42. 42 different colours in that set. And I am going to pop that one inside there so that I don't lose it when I repackage them. I am just going to pop the sleeves back on, otherwise, believe me, this desk gets like absolute carnage after I've done an unboxing. So that is, say, one of the quite latest sets. Then we have Her Story. This is an older set, but this is a set of 4. Now, the reason there's only 4 in these is they are a lot bigger. But look at those colours. We've still got 43 colours in this set. But the reason this one you only get 4, for example, compared to the 12, quite often is the amount of diamonds on each design. So if you can see here, this is a lot bigger image. These take a lot longer, and you are doing them for more. so it has less in each set. But just the sets that they've done and just the detail that you get in each set is pretty amazing. So that one is her story. So I tend to keep the labels inside until I've done it, because I say I will package these up slightly differently when I'm done. But that is for today, set number 2. Number 3. This one I think is going to be really, really fun to do. So this is the geometric edition. There is 12 designs in this one. But yeah, I think it could be quite therapeutic, this one. We do have quite a bit of black, but then we do have some beautiful bright colours, but of course quite a lot of them. This one, oh, this will fit in my PaintGem actual storage case. So I have a PaintGem storage case, but it only holds 30 different colours. And this one has 24. So this one can go in the lineup for my smaller case. I actually have 2 decision wheels depending on which storage I'm using. But yeah, this one has less colours, but a very, very dramatic effect. This one is only using letters as the symbols as well. So I think you could get quite a little bit of a system, but a different system with each of these. Now, do note these are smaller within the same space, but they're not all the way, which is why you still get 12. That one depends on which way you're looking at it. Is it a cube or is it like a lattice? This is why I think they could be quite fun and therapeutic. You could do them in rows or you could do them in colours. Gorgeous. Might be black and white, but I think it's going to look so stunning when it's done. This is one of my favourites, but I also actually really, really like this one. It is only 2 colours and it is black and white, but I really, really like the effect. That one's beautiful. That one has quite a few different blues in it. We have this. A little bit of steps. About 3 or 4 of each colour per one. Another black and white, so I do suggest mixing up the black and white, but I think it can be quite fun creating yourself a little maze pattern in those to get them completed. So that is the Geometrics set. I can't wait to add all these to my decision wheel. I've actually been holding off kitting up another PaintGem mini set until all of these are unboxed, because I always like to give the new ones a chance, though I'll be happy if I do the old ones as well. And then last but not least for today, we have the Birthstones edition. So this one also has 12, has each month of the year, and then also tells you the stone. I am a diamond. So this one, quite a few different colours in this one. It's amazing how many bright colours you end up with in most of the sets, but how they can still look so different, which is why I think I enjoy them as well, because they're quite bright often in the designs. Oh wow. Okay, we've not gone into 2 sticker sheets, but we have filled a sticker sheet. This is the first time I've seen one filled. There's normally a couple left. So we have 48 different colours in this one. And you can sort of see why when you see how many different colours there are within just the red. The red, the pink, the white, the off pink, the burnt red. So many different colours in that one. Again, so many different purples. So you're getting quite a few reds, quite a few purples to help make up the depth, which of course equates more colours in the kit. I still think a diamond's beautiful, even though it has a lot of grey in it. I think it's beautiful. Add a little AB to this one. Add an AB diamond. Or you could add ABs in any of these, and I think they would look amazing for it. Beautiful pearl. Gorgeous. We do have another one with red, but looks so completely different. Beautiful colours. Oh, that one's pretty. Got lots of little, imagine adding ABs in those. That would look beautiful. And we've got some yellows and some gorgeous turquoise colours. So absolutely beautiful colours in that one as well. And you can sort of see why they may need so many to make it a complete set. But yeah, they are 4 of my latest additions to my PaintGem mini sets. Yes, I have a lot of them, but yes, I have also done a lot of them. So I will pop a link down below along with a discount code for you to use if you do want to treat yourself to any of these sets. Absolutely perfect for going away with. I have taken these on holiday with me. You know, it can take me 45 minutes to an hour to do each one, maybe a little bit longer on these bigger ones. Very nice and snack size. You can sort of have it set up, do a bit, go out, do an activity, come back, and when everybody else might be chilling and watching TV, you can diamond paint for a little bit, and it doesn't feel like it takes over your holiday. It feels like it's just a little bit added in. But anyway, there is the first 4 of my 8 sets. Stay tuned for the next unboxing video that will have the other 4, just a brief rundown of. And do feel free to check out any of my other unboxing videos if you want to see what the other sets look like. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.